What's up, guys? Hope you're all doing well. Figured I'd record my day today. You know, I've been keeping myself busy by being in the kitchen, you know? Keeps my mind busy, keeps myself occupied, makes you feel pretty healthy just keeping busy, you know? Other people do other things, you know? They might be reading, exercising. I've been exercising a lot. And yeah, probably other things. Probably knitting, if you're into that stuff, you like to knit. I don't know how to knit. My grandma knows how to knit. All right, we're steering away. Anyway, I'm about to make an acai bowl right now. I'll probably make some other things later today. I'll work out later today as well. So I figured I'd record my day. So yeah, I'm about to record an acai bowl. You've never had an acai bowl like this in your life. You'll see why. All right, guys, check this out. Tell me it doesn't look good. So good. All right, let's try it out. It's the best. If you think you can make a better acai bowl than me, I challenge you. And the acai bowl duo. There's no such thing. All right, guys, I'm gonna enjoy my acai bowl, and I'll see you guys later. All right, guys, so I just had my breakfast, and one of the benefits from working from home is that I get to work from home. That's one of the best things. And part of my work is to help my brother record.
Yes.
Because we have a platform.
He's late for the job, people.
Oh, I'm not. How can I be late if I live
late.
here?
We should have done this like 2 hours ago.
All right, technically, but I recorded an acai bowl for them, so it's okay. All right, so I have the camera set up right here. We have a 1DX Mark III. And we're about to record some content for our platform.
Correct.
And all his content's in Spanish.
It's all in Spanish.
It's all in Spanish. So if you understand Spanish, you should check him out. And
should have taken.
What are you gonna talk about today, anyway?
Oh, we're gonna talk about what's going on in here, particularly in the country, and how it leads the direction towards the agenda that's trying to be pushed around the world.
Yeah.
And why this is like the epicenter of everything that could happen in the future. So I need everyone who's like on our platform, they get like the download as to what's going on, so they better understand it. So then there's not that much fear mongering going around, and then getting people like sick just by fear alone. So
yeah, because I feel like the majority of people aren't well informed right now. A lot of people.
Well, it's very difficult to decipher what's real and what's not.
Yeah.
But you have to follow the money. You follow the money, you get the answers.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah.
But still, a lot of people aren't that well informed right now. A lot of people aren't up to date with what's going on, believe it or not. I know a lot of people are, but there's a lot of people who aren't up to date with what's going on, which I think is like, it's incredible. You got to be up to date with with everything that's going on right now.
Yeah, you have to know who are the reporters, who are the actors playing like the role, who's behind this, what are they trying to push, what are the things that have been trying to go through our legislation, and that way you'll kind of understand like
and you just don't listen to one person. You listen to everybody. You listen to everybody and you form your own opinion.
It doesn't take a rocket scientist to understand what's going on, but you cannot base your information just off of Instagram posts or watching like a 5-minute clip or something that takes like 2 or 3 hours.
Exactly.
When they're doing these White House briefings.
Yeah.
So it's taking us a long time.
Yeah. No, I mean, like a large part of our day actually just goes into like researching and trying to figure out like what's going on. It's like our nature, like
And
having
tell
that
'em,
curiosity.
Believe it or not, we've taken about maybe like 4 to 5 hours a day
Yeah.
just on this subject alone. And this is something that I've been following personally through the stock market and see like what are the players and everything. That's why that
Yeah, you guys don't
quarter,
know. You guys have barely seen my brother on this channel, but yeah, like his background. Well,
we're accountants. Dude.
yeah, we're accountants. Our background is accounting. He's been investing in the stock market since he's been in high school, and he's been successful at it since he was in high school. Anyway, we're about to get started. We're about to record this video, and then afterwards, I think I'm gonna work out. I don't know if you're gonna work out with me or not. But
I don't know if I should, dude, because we're shooting that live video tomorrow.
Oh yeah, you're shooting a video with Matt tomorrow on Instagram Live.
I feel like
should
I'm
be pretty
talking
cool.
here. Why? What am I?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next
video. All
right. All right, guys. So I'm about to work out, and honestly, I don't really have that much gym equipment in my home. About to show you guys what I have. All right, guys. So I have a yoga mat, I have 3 resistance bands, and I have a jump rope. I have 0 weights, so that's why I got my camera bag and I filled it up with a whole bunch of books. And this, I would say it's probably like 40 to 50 pounds heavy. I'm gonna use that weight to do some exercises. I'll show you guys in a second. But yeah, this is all I got. I got nothing. I think that was 50. Alright guys, so I just added some extra weight to my back and I'm about to do some push-ups. Alright, let's do it. Alright, next up, I'm gonna do some goblet squats. I don't have a kettlebell, I don't have a dumbbell, but I got my backpack. Alright, next exercise, I'm gonna do runnings. Alright. Alright, next up I'm gonna use this resistance band to do some bicep curls. Honestly, I hate resistance bands, but it's all I got. That's all I got right now. Alright. Alright, next up, I'm gonna do wall sits and add some weight to it. Wall sits, I'm doing it until failure. Alright, that's all I'm gonna do for today. I'm gonna repeat this like another 3-4 times. I'm gonna see how I feel. I'm not trying to burn myself out here. Alright guys, about to make my vegetable juice after my workout. Just took a shower. About to juice some celery, juice some carrots, some beets, and some Granny Smith apples. Let's get started. Tastes good. Believe it or not, I have more vegetables right there to juice. That's the whole reason why they call it a slow juicer, because it takes forever to juice. It takes forever, man. That's why I'm not a fan of it. But right now, since I'm not really going to the grocery store that often, I want to get the most that I can out of each vegetable. So, as you can see, if you look at the fiber right here, it's very dry. It's not that soggy as it is when I use the Breville Juice Fountain Elite. When I use that other juicer, if I were to grab the fiber, And if you were to like squeeze it like in a nut milk bag, you will get extra juice. It's yeah, but it's a lot faster and easier to clean as well, because this one has a whole bunch of pieces. If I were to show you guys, it's like building a Lego set. Anyway, I'm gonna continue to drink this juice. We use celery, carrots, beet, and Granny Smith apple. Beets are very good for your liver, for detoxing the liver. Celery, great source of sodium, good for people who have arthritis. It helped my mom when she had arthritis, like, what was it, like 10, 12 years ago? It was a while ago. She would drink a liter a day, and she would also drink a whole lemon. I mean, she would squeeze a whole lemon and mix it in with water. She would drink that in the mornings, and she would drink sulfur as well. Very good for producing your own collagen when you combine it with vitamin C. So, yeah, man, nutrition, man. We gotta maintain that immune system very strong, especially right now when everybody, well, not everybody, but a lot of people are getting sick. So if we keep our immune system, we should be good, man. Should be good. So we'll continue. Drink some more juice. I'll probably fill this up again, but I'm not gonna bore you guys because it's gonna take forever. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. All right, guys, we got tacos for dinner tonight. We got rice, beans, smoked tempeh, plantains, guacamole, and a little bit of more vegetables. Looks great. I think that's it for today. I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm really hungry right now, and yeah, I can't really concentrate right now when I'm hungry. So I gotta eat. See you guys next time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And everybody, stay safe, eat healthy, boost your immune system, and we'll have no issues. We'll all be good. Peace out.
Yeah, I taste it, bro.
Oh, I gotta taste it. Oh yeah, right. Let's taste it. My brother made this dinner tonight. Usually I've been the one cooking, man, but I don't know. You cooked today. I don't know. Why'd you cook today?
I'm hungry.
Because he's hungry and he wants to eat right now.
Yeah, I've been waiting. Let's go. Good?
10 out of 10.
Nice.
Yes, it's really good. All right, guys. Peace out.